All right, hey guys, just gonna look over some charts real quick before I call it a night. Was charting some levels, also was playing with this mic, trying to get some things situated. So I figured I'd just look at some charts real quick. Probably look at SPY, Square, and Nvidia. Since I'm swinging those two. Anyway, with SPY, it's too hard to tell. I think it's too early to see what we can get out of this. So with that being said, it's not much more I can say, but if this level doesn't hold, probably look for a pullback to test. I will say, what's that, Wednesday's highs, probably somewhere around here if we can't hold that level. If we do and we gap up, I would like us to gap somewhere around this 286 level. Still early, not much I can figure out on SPY. Not much movement after hours. Nice run today, extremely bullish chart. Breaking out some key levels. We'll love to see if we can push towards that 286.01 for more upside. As far as that, we can look at Square now. Let's move on to Square. As for Square, pretty much with that one, I've been walking that one up all day today. That chart right there, to me, we're testing some key levels on that. We broke that short-term downtrend. With that one, I want to see us go ahead and push more to the upside, and if we do, take out 79.93. After that, we'll probably have to test this level. This will be a key downtrend that we have to break out to get more upside. Again, it all depends on how market open up. If market gap up, I'll be looking for a gap up somewhere around that 79.93 level. See if we can pop it and push and break out this major downtrend. If not, market gap down, probably be looking for a gap down towards 78.15. And then if we do pull tomorrow, look for a 77.25. See if we can base around that level and push up. That's just what I'm thinking. Again, this is still early. Anything can happen overnight, and also during pre-market. So that's my thought on Square. Other than Square, we have next is Nvidia. Extremely strong sector. With Nvidia, I was pretty much trying to get to that 188.20 level today. That's what I was looking for in Nvidia. Didn't get it. With that one, I think we might get some kind of pullback, all depending on this sector as well. Another strong sector. Want to see how we can get it. I want to see if we can break this 188.20 level. I think we have some nice room to the upside, but we're coming into some key resistance on that as well. Nice curl off the bottom chart. I love everything about this. If you guys been following me, you already know I am extremely bullish with this one. Getting paid pretty nice on it. So again, with this one, if we do gap up, I would like to see us gap up around that 188.20 level. If we don't gap up, if we do pull back within this 180.11. If we get more, or because a lot of profit taking kicking in, look for some support around this area right here, 176 or this 180 level is what I'll be looking for support. Other levels, if you want to just scalp it and you pull and you think you're going to bounce, you can have it around that 188.56 level, possibly right in here somewhere. Come down right about here, might pull, but again, still early. Another one, just me formulating my thoughts. I start writing these down, pretty much have all this written down on a piece of paper in front of me. Tomorrow morning when I wake up, these are certain things I'll be looking for to see how the market is opening up and how it'll possibly trade out. So that's Nvidia. Another one I know a lot was traded about. I might as well just do that one other one everybody was looking at today was AMD. AMD as well, extremely strong chart, as you can see. I was looking for a 28.53. If we do gap up, I would like to gap up, get just above this. If we do, this has some nice room back towards that 29.94 level. If we can break this 28.53, so it has a lot of room to the upside. Then you can start pushing towards that highs, recent highs. But with that, we'll see if it does gap down. Look to find support around this 27.30 area. If that can't hold, then we'll probably pull back down to 26.88 area. So another one pretty good that I liked it as well. So AMD wasn't looking too bad so far. If you do want to, you can also look at a few things like futures. That's also not doing too bad, still flagging, haven't pulled back. So again, just like SPY, looking the same, can't really get a feel on anything. So for right now, I'm just going to wait for tomorrow morning to see what I can get. I wanted to see if we can get some kind of direction after hours. We didn't get any. It's just trading within this range right here. So hard to tell what can possibly happen tomorrow. So I'll be sitting on my hands and seeing what happens if we pop up. I'll be trying to play the pop out of the gate. If we pull, I'll be waiting for some kind of support consolidation and then try to bounce things back to the upside. That's just my thought on how I'll probably play tomorrow. Other than that, everything else is extremely bullish. Like I said, the Netflix was strong today. Had somebody pop in during live and ask about Netflix, and I told them pretty much as long as, I think, what was it today? I think I told him as long as that 3708 level or something like that, when he asks if we do get a pullback, look for around that area. If it holds, it'll continue to the upside. And I told him look for that 383.20 level, and is where it's trying to push. So as you can see, I actually was trying to watch him for him. I don't know how much he watched it. Did pull, what is this, 373.03 level, and then held. To me, overall, super strong chart. Broke out of a couple days high, so I thought that had more upside on it. As you can see, it pretty much did. So with that one, I'll be looking for a 383.20 level on that. So as far as that, that's it, guys. I was just doing a quick review on some of these tickers I'll probably be looking for tomorrow. Again, still too early to see what's really going to happen. But if we do gap up, those are levels I'll be looking for. A gap on Netflix, probably around that 383.20 level. If we pull, probably around that 375.72 level. Again, that's pretty much it. Went over more than I expected to. Wanted to keep this short just so I can test the mic, and I'll go ahead and replay it and see if the sound levels and everything are working pretty well. Some people were saying it wasn't coming in clear, so I'm trying to fix that issue as well. So again, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. As long as I'm not doing anything or not trading with size, I have no problem answering questions. So again, guys, take care, have a nice night, see you tomorrow. Let's have a great day trading tomorrow.